Hello, everyone, and welcome to my first YouTube channel. If you didn't watch my introduction, I am a social work student in my MSW program. I'm still learning, but when I learn, I do want to share with you all. My first topic is going to be on anxiety. Being anxious is normal. About to take a test, you might get a little jitters. That's normal. Everyone goes through that. But when does anxiety becomes a mental disorder? It becomes a mental disorder when it's like affecting your whole lifestyle. There's different types of anxiety. There's agoraphobia, there's panic disorders, or general phobias. So it's important that we be aware of different anxieties because it may affect us or others. We need to be aware. Learning about anxiety, I noticed I had an aunt who had agoraphobia. Had no idea. Like I said, studying social work makes me aware of a lot of stuff I was unaware of with mental health and human behavior. My auntie we was in the elevator. And when the elevator door closed, she went into hysteria. She was screaming, she was kicking, she was sweating, just whole panic attack. And I was like, what is wrong with her? Like, I was embarrassed. But knowing I knew my auntie was suffering from agoraphobia, which is fear of being in closed spaces. There's also social anxiety. I mean, in the tabloids, we know that the singer Summer Walker is suffering from social anxiety, which is a real thing. Um, some people have biased opinions, but I think it's important that she did come out and let the world know about her mental disorder because that is not an easy thing to discuss when you know you have mental health issues and you're open to the public about it. So we should try to be less judgmental and more accepting. And I felt like, in this opinion, they knew she had her team knew she had suffering from social anxiety. They should did more to prepare her or offer her alternatives to making music than to jeopardize her mental health for the sake of money and fans. That's not the whole topic. That's just my opinion. Confession: I do suffer from anxiety. Um, it's important to know yourself, and I know my anxiety comes from fear of failure. And to counteract with my fear of failure, I know to be confident would lessen my symptoms of anxiety. So if I know I'm about to have a challenging test, I try to better prepare myself so that my anxiety can be less crippling to my performance. So just knowing yourself, knowing your capabilities, your mental health status, because so like mental health is as important as your physical health. So we want to be healthy fully, body, mind, and soul. So just take time to know yourself. If you need help, get your medication. It's nothing to be ashamed of. I mean, everyone suffers from some type of mental disorder. So it's nothing to be ashamed of. Take care of yourself and get the help you need. I'm learning every day. So if you want to continue watching my videos, I can learn from y'all. Leave some comments, some good websites, readings, and let's just educate each other and learn each other so we can be more accepting and fight mental health. Thank you for watching my video.